I'm just a frustrated model badass. Subulatay. Yo, that race. Oh, really? Actually, it's my dream to be a model or an actress, but it's not for me. You'll be someday. Oh, is it not too late? I'm old. Hello, PAMJ. Shall we? Ooh. Just pursue your dream. Yeah, sure. Badass. I still marami ka na pala admin. Pang ano ka, pang tatlo ka Joker. Yung admins ko is yung mga nagpasok sa akin dito sa Is it too late for me because I am a wormy? Wormy? What do you mean by wormy? It's my first time to hear that word. You're a wormy. Hi, mate. Wormy just like my name. So you're soft and smooth and slimy. Boss! Shall we, boss? I'm back. And sour po. Ayaw nga, yung iba sour. Sarap nun, grabe. Paborito ng mga bata yung ganyan. Hello, Mar. Pero whenever ko na, yung na-addict, tikim-tikim lang ako. But I'm a kind worm. Oh, really? We can be friends if you're a kind worm. Wait lang. Ay, wala na. Aalis si Joker. Tatanggalin na yun sa admin. Hindi naman. Sige na, Gorachi. Well, I just treat humans the same way they treat me too. Oh, really? Me too. Same bulate. I just give the energy what they are giving me. Ako mamaya aalis. Oo, Ernst. Sige, thank you for coming, Ernst. Work well, Ernst. Ingat ka. Kung matanggal mo ako, ibalik mo lang. Oo. Pag natanggal kita, mga 1 week na dapat consistent, andun ka sa live ko nang walang alisan, tsaka kita ibabalik. Hell yeah, that is what we call self-respect. Yes, of course. Don't force ourselves to the people who don't like us. Chocolate too, hello. I will make sure that she will not gonna remove you as her admin. Oh. Oh, may kakampi ah. You found an ally ha, Joker ah. Sige, ikaw bahala. Oo, because it's his dream to be an admin daw. So I granted his wish. Okay, let me make you my admin. Daddy, hello. First, yun yung hirap na hirap akong ano. Rodrigo, Shawi, good evening. Versus Tertiars. That's why